This one's murang-mura lang sa halaga. So, after this one, at kain na tayo, magpagkisimisan ako sa inyo. Tara, doon tayo sa ating loob ng bahay. So finally mga Java Cats, welcome home, sweet home. Kain na po tayo ng ating ramen. Kasi because like outside is like super raining. I think like some storm, para siyang bagyo. Alam naman pag bumabagyo, syempre nag-grade tayo ng lilot. Ika nga sa salitang Kapampang. May pala ang ulam na. Diba so yummy. And what this one is not really spicy. It's really good. Siyempre, mas masarap ito if you put some egg and you have a kimchi or something like if you have rice, like a plain rice. It's really good. I like it. Nyaman. It's really good. Wow. Yes, mga Java Cats, umuulan, bumabagyo, tingnan mo, it's really good. I wanna take a shower in the rain. Baka magkasakit po tayo. Well, boy, lahat, welcome back sa ating channel. Yes, Current Angel is back. Gagawa na naman tayo ng vlog for today. Ang ating vlog for today is... Hindi ko alam. Basta igagala ko ka lang. Sarap ang ating mga breadwinners na they won the Golden Job Award. Is goes to maganda. And bonjour and merci beaucoup, maulan po ang panahon. And of course, magkala po tayo ng payong. Yes, wag po tayong magbakya, baka tayo ay madulas. Tingnan mo naman ang ating payong pagkagara-gara. But it's only raining. I think it's a typhoon in here. So that's all we do is, pag bumabagyo, we're wondering what we're gonna eat. Something, I would like to eat something like a ramen. O naman ikaw. Oh, maulan talaga, tingnan mo. But it's really good. The weather is so good and it's so nice. And I wanna show you, alright? So I wondering the maulan talaga. Tingnan mo, oh, di ba? Maulan ang ating payong. Parang 360 lang, but it's okay. I think when I got home, noodles na lang. Yeah, nag-crazy ako noodles. I'm wondering to get some food sa convenience store, the 724 hours, but it's raining outside. It's raining outside. Let's look at that beautiful view. Kumikidlat. So doon na tayo sa ating bahay. Maganda ka ba po sa panahon? And of course, nag-shout out to everyone. Hi! I'm going home. Yeah, it's alright, brother. Yeah, it's okay. And of course, we are always inspired. Never expired sa inyo pong lahat. Thank you so much. And you know what? Pag tag-ulan, kailangan, gusto natin ng sinigang. Yes, sinigang na pagkain. And of course, arroz caldo. Diba? Yes, mga Java Cats, look at that. It's so raining. It's a heavy rain. Diba? Pero parang ang sarap magtampisaw. Ang sarap maligo in the under the rain. So look at that beautiful ambience and beautiful scenario. So tara, mag-uli na tayo. I'm wondering like, kumikita, I'm wondering like what I'm gonna eat for today. Yun lang, ramen lang ang aking kakainin. Diba pa ramen, sapat na ako. Yes, ramen sapat na sa oras na ito. Kasi arroz caldo minsan, sopas, bulalo, sinigang, or something. Yes, wherever we go, we always inspired, never expired. Saman tayo pupunta sa buong mundo. Siyempre, ang ating kasipagan ang ating kayamanan. Gaya ang ating buhay. Ang buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Yes, parang paluhod, pahilata, padapa, saan ka pa, lahat ginawa ko na. Yeah, sa relationship. In relationship, makaka-apektado ang trabaho. Naka-apektado naman ang love life sa work. Sa work, sa trabaho. We choose only work. Oh, we always inspired, never expired. And okay, right now if I wanna go right there, I just actually completing into the new show, but I can't. It's too heavy rain. At nagawa akong content kasi wala na akong magawang content. But right now is a beautiful ambience in here, and a beautiful like a mini park. Yes, dito ako madalas magpunta. And of course, this one is the parang, oh, they have a solar in there. Look at the Great Wall of China. Yes, so mga Dabbercats, finally home. It's so much raining outside, napakalakas na ulan, and because of you guys thankful, and of course we got the YouTube Creator Award. So welcome sa ating kusina. Yes, ang kusina ko ay punong magdahal. Galing sa isa. Ito ang aking kawali. Galing from UK. Magpapakulong muna akong tubig na mainit. And of course, this one is the trending ramen. This one is murang-mura lang sa halaga. So after this one, at kain niya tayo magpagkisimisan ako sa inyo. Tara, doon tayo sa ating loob ng bahay. So finally mga Dabbercats, welcome home, sweet home. Kain na po tayo ng ating ramen. Kasi because like outside is like super raining. I think like some storm, para siyang bagyo. Alam naman pag bumabagyo, syempre nag-gravy tayo ng lelot. Ika nga sa salitang Kapampangan. That's they call this what is it? Itang sampelot. Pwede kang lelot manok o lelot balatong. Syempre achokeni. And in here in overseas, just in country of Korea, so I just like the ramen. Yes, later on magiging story na lang ang buhay natin. So today is very special day. Ito na ang ating trending ramen for today. Kumusta kayo? Di na pwede masyadong mag-ingay kasi madaling araw na. And after this one, mag-live tayo ng content para sa ating W8, sa ating public watch hour. Siyempre, kumusta po kayo bilang isang OFW? And siyempre, we always inspired, never expired. Look at that. Super ulan, grabe. And of course it's raining outside when I walk outside. Even although I have umbrella, the water is still coming on my body. And of course my shoes is wet, and of course my pants, buti na lang hindi naging wet. Parang wet, diba? But it's okay. Eto, nag-gravy tayo ng trending ramen. May pala ang ulam na. Diba, so yummy. And what this one is not really spicy. It's really good. Siyempre, mas masarap ito if you put some egg and you have a kimchi or something, like if you have rice, like a plain rice. It's really good. I like it. Nyaman. It's really good. Wow, sarap. Imagine it outside when I walk. Before I was on work, I'm thinking about, I'm gonna eat something. Siyempre, pare lang katapat natin. So, ramen lang ang kinain ko sa araw na to. Yes, ang pong lahat na never expired. We always inspired sa watching my followers on our Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Sa araw na ito, siyempre, ramen lang katapat natin. So, ito, nung wala na yung tatak niya. Yung tatak niya hanggang tinapon mo na. But it's okay, it's really good. Nyamanan eh. It's so much delicious. Masarap. And after this one is pwede na tayong mag-start. May laman ng ating tiyan. So we do live streaming. Well, sa inyo pong lahat, we never expired. We always inspired. Sa ating mga breadwinner, the breadwinning award goes to you. Yes, sa punong OFW. Yes, ang ating kasipagan, ang ating kayamanan. Sama tayo magpunta sa buong mundo. Siyempre, kasama ko kayo. Ang Dito Scoring Angel, ang coach ng puso mo. Siyempre, lagi nagbibigay ng magandang balita. We always inspired, never expired. Once again, magandang gabi po. Sa inyo lahat, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Para po sa inyo lahat, ang ating ramen. Kanyamanan eh. Manyaman po siya tingebun. Ating kandila ka nasi, o ating kandila ka kimchi. What's it up, guys? At least getting Aldona. Bye-bye.